Imagine yourself in this 2008 BMW 3 Series. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission. Know the history on this ride and greatly reduce your buying risk with the included Carfax Vehicle History Report. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.